T-minus 30 seconds. Twenty seconds. 15 seconds. Final topping. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Engine start. 1, 0, and liftoff of the Delta rocket carrying GLAST, a gamma-ray telescope searching for unseen physics in the stars of the galaxies.
Seconds into the flight, now reaching the area of maximum dynamic pressure, max Q. Lit solids are just a few seconds from ignition. Ground lit solids are continuing to perform well. Standing by for separation. Separation. Lit solids are igniting. One minute, 29 seconds into the flight. 13.6 nautical miles in altitude, 33.6 nautical miles downrange, now traveling at 3,075 miles per hour. Air-lit solids now dropping in chamber pressure as we're standing by to separate. Page engine steering is good. Seconds now from burnout of the air-lit solids. We now have burnout, and we have jettison of the air-lit solids. Mission events are occurring very close to the actual predicted times. Altitude now 35.6 nautical miles. Downrange distance 124 nautical miles, traveling at 7,330 miles per hour. Vehicle performance continues to look nominal. Keeping good data. Three minutes, 30 seconds into the flight. Less than 1 minute before main engine cutoff. Altitude now 48.2 nautical miles. Downrange distance 217.8 nautical miles. Velocity now 9,874 miles per hour. Engine chamber pressure on the first stage is very good, holding rock solid. 4 minutes into the flight, less than 1/2 minute remaining until main engine cutoff. Standing by for MECO. We have MECO. Standing by for VECO. Burn engine cutoff. 1-2 stage step. Separation of the first and second stage. Second stage chamber pressure increasing. Second stage is burning. Well within our ability to control. Good rates on the second stage. Chamber pressures on the second stage starting to decline. About a half a minute now until SECO. About 10 seconds now till SECO, standing by. We have SECO. And the pump is off. And we have ignition. Ignition of the second stage. This is a fairly short burn, a little over 1 minute in duration. Burn is going well. Rates are good. Good chamber pressure on the second stage. About 30 seconds remaining in this burn. Your disturbances are very light, recovering very nicely. About 15 seconds remaining in the burn. And we're standing by for SECO 2. And we have shutdown on the second stage, and hydraulic pump now is off. One, two, three, and four SEP nuts are released. We're about less than a half a minute now from spacecraft SEP. 10 seconds from SEP. We have SEP, spacecraft SEP indicator.
Dr. Steve Ritz, he is the GLAST project scientist from the Goddard Space Flight Center. He's been here watching his screens very intently on data coming from the GLAST spacecraft, and Steve would like you to give us a status.
Oh, well, thanks, George. We couldn't be happier. They're telling us it was a beautiful launch. At least all the preliminary data look that way. The spacecraft is separated from the second stage. The two solar arrays have deployed.
So both the arrays are out.
Yeah, and everything just looks nominal. So we're just couldn't be happier.
So at this point now, what's next for the science team?
Well, we have about 2 weeks of checking out the spacecraft itself that supports the instruments, and then about 2 weeks from now we'll be turning on the instruments, checking them out, doing basic checks, calibrations, initial configurations, and then we begin the process of calibration and preliminary science observations. About 60 days from now, we'll begin our first year of official science observations. We can't wait.
Well, Steve, congratulations, and it's good to know that the spacecraft is on orbit and that it's power positive with both the solar arrays out. So it looks like the GLAST mission has begun.